Hey guys, today we're taking a close look at the LLANO A580. It's a compact wireless video transmission system designed for creators, gamers, presenters, and anyone who needs fast and stable screen mirroring without relying on Wi-Fi or complicated setups. So let's open up the box, check it out, and see how it works. Here's the instructions. Comes with accessories like HDMI cable, USB-C to charge it, and an adapter cable as well. Just plug it into other stuff. And then here are the receivers themselves. Very small and compact. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. If you've ever dealt with laggy casting, unstable connections, or messy cables during a stream or presentation, then this device is built to solve all of that with a surprisingly simple plug-and-play design. This allows you to wirelessly stream your phone screen to your computer or another display with reliable performance. And with no drivers or Wi-Fi network required, you just connect it and it starts working instantly. So it's great for content creators, presenters who move between venues, or anyone who has dealt with restrictive networks. This device is a huge advantage and is simple to use. Where the A580 really stands out is its transmission stability. Whether you're streaming mobile games or giving a presentation, it keeps the video feed responsive and consistent. It supports smooth gameplay streaming and even allows remote coordinated control, so you can operate your device from a distance without lag. And with its dual mode transmission, you can wirelessly stream at 1080p, but you can also switch to wired mode and get full 4K transmission, giving you more flexibility. It uses a 5 GHz band that maintains a signal up to 50 meters and can reach a distance of up to 120 meters in ideal conditions. You can go really far with the transmission range. And it can go even farther than that. You can go in another room and it'll still be playing. So it's a great option for studios, classrooms, event spaces, or even outdoor setups where you need low latency performance without being tethered to your display. It has built-in 60-watt power delivery charging, so you don't have to worry about your battery dying midstream or juggling extra chargers. It also works with a variety of iOS, Android, and Windows devices for wide compatibility. So overall, the LLANO A580 is a capable wireless transmission system that delivers on speed, stability, and ease of use. So if you need reliable and quality screen mirroring, then the LLANO A580 is absolutely worth considering. And you can check it out in the link below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.